Good morning, my dear students, and welcome back to the class on active and passive voice. Today we are going to see how these active voice and passive voice are changed in three different types of sentences that we have already learned. As you know, there are three tenses in English: present, past and future. So today we are going to see how a simple present that is given in active voice is changed into passive voice. So this is an important topic which you must be able to understand properly. So let's go to the class. Change that happens in the tense while converting an active voice into passive voice. So we'll go through all the three tenses. In today's class we will take only the present tense and see how these changes are happening. So this is a table for you, and we will take one by one and see how it happens. Present tense, there is simple present, present continuous and present perfect tense. So I have given this table, so kindly go through this table clearly. You will understand by looking at this table how the changes are happening. So we will take the tenses one by one. We will take the simple present, then we will take the present continuous, and we will take the present perfect tense. So learn this table properly. Now we'll go to the simple present. Simple present. He writes a letter that is in active voice. Now how do we convert this active voice into passive voice? A letter is written by him. So what are the changes? Subject becomes the object. Object becomes the subject. Subject is he in active voice, that becomes the object him. A letter is the object in active voice, and that becomes the subject in passive voice. A letter. Past participle of the verb. Write is the first form. Written is the past participle of the verb. Use of by him, and change that happens here is either is, am or are will be there in the simple present. If it is a letter, we use is written. If it were to be letters, it would have been are written by him. Letters are written by him. So these are the 5 changes that will happen when you are converting an simple present from active into passive voice. Subject becomes the object, he becomes him. A letter object, that becomes a subject, a letter. Past participle of the verb. By is used, and we will take these 3 words, either is, am or are. That depends on the subject. Here a letter is a subject that is singular, so we have used is. If it were to be letters, we would have used are written. I hope you have understood the simple present tense. Now moving on to the next one, present continuous tense. He is writing a letter that is in active voice. A letter is being written by him, that is in passive voice. So what are the changes? Subject he becomes him. A letter object becomes a subject in passive voice, a letter. Past participle of the verb write is changed into written. Use of by is, am or are. Here the subject is singular, a letter, so we are using is. Use of being, that is the additional word that is used in present continuous tense. A letter is being written by him. Since it is continuous tense, we are using the word called being. So these are the 6 changes. Subject becomes the object, object becomes a subject, past participle of the verb, use of by, use of is, am or are. Then the most important thing, use of being. A letter is being written by him. I hope you have understood the present continuous tense. Now moving on to the next one, we have present perfect tense. He has written a letter, that is in active voice. A letter has been written by him, that is in passive voice. Now what are the changes? Subject he becomes him. A letter object becomes a subject in passive voice, a letter. Past participle of the verb written. Use of by, has or have, because it is in perfect tense. We are using has because a letter is singular subject. If it were to be letters, it should have been have been. Then the one additional word that comes here is been, B-E-E-N. A letter has been written by him. So these are the three divisions of present tense that you need to understand: simple present, present continuous tense, and present perfect tense. So let's go through once again these three things. That is simple present. Remember, there are 5 changes. The 4 basic changes that you have already learned. The additional words that come here are is, am, or are. That depends on the subject. If the subject is singular, we will take is. The subject is plural, we will take are. If it is I that comes there, we use the word called am. That does not happen very often. So remember, is, am, or are. That depends on the subject. Now moving on to present continuous tense, the additional word that comes here is the word called being. Rest is the same. Subject becomes the object becomes the subject. Past participle of the verb, use of by, is, am, are. The additional word that is used here is being, because it is a continuous tense. Now moving on to the present perfect tense. Instead of is, am, are, we have got has or have. Then we have the word called being. So these are the changes that will happen in the present perfect tense. I hope you have understood these changes that will happen when you are converting simple present, present continuous, present perfect tense from active into passive voice. Can you go through the notes once again and try to make your own examples so that you will understand whether you have understood the topic. So my dear students, study well. Take care.